Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to hide profile photo on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now from the top right corner, tap on three dots. Go to Settings. Here you will see many options. Tap on the account. Then tap on Privacy. And here, you will see the profile photo option, tap on it. Now tap on Nobody to hide your profile photo. And you will hide your profile photo on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp. If you like our video then, don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.